Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best nail files is probably one of the most important tools for achieving healthy and beautiful nails, and choosing the right one can significantly impact your manicure experience. Whether you prefer glass, metal, or emery board files, understanding the different types, grit levels, and proper filing techniques is key to avoiding nail damage and achieving a smooth, polished finish. In this video, we will explore various nail files and buffers, comparing their features, benefits, and overall performance to help you find the perfect tool for your nail care routine. Number 5. TsMADDTs Nail Kit. This kit is perfect for achieving salon-quality manicures at home. It includes everything you need for beautifully shaped and polished nails. The double-sided emery boards are made from durable EVC plus material. One side is 100 grit for shaping, and the other is 180 grit for smoothing. Use the 100 grit side to file down acrylics or thick nails, and the 180 grit to refine and smooth the edges. They work quickly and efficiently. These colorful sponge buffers are perfect for polishing and smoothing your nails. Their high elastic material is gentle yet effective. Whether you have natural nails, acrylics, or fake tips, this kit is perfect for you. It's ideal for both fingernails and toenails. Get professional results without the salon price tag. This kit provides everything you need for a complete manicure at home. What we like. This kit comes with a complete set of files and buffers. If you need a variety of grits for different nail tasks, this is a great option. Its dual-sided design is perfect for shaping and smoothing, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced nail enthusiasts. What people say. They really work great. Not too hard that they split nails. The colors help me locate them easier. This has to be my 4th or 5th time ordering this item. I love to smooth the surface of and buff away imperfections on my nails with the file blocks. The files have 2 different grits. The coarser side is great for my toenails and the finer grit is perfect for my fingernails. The blocks files are good quality and last a long time as well. The buffing blocks in particular are great. The files are okay. Number 4. FANDAMEI 20 PCS Manicure Kit. This kit has everything you need for a professional manicure at home. It's great value and includes multiple tools for all your nail care needs. These rectangular buffers are made from a high-quality sponge. They're durable, washable, and perfect for smoothing and polishing all nail types. These double-sided files are ideal for shaping and prepping your nails. They're perfect for removing gel polish or trimming your nails to the desired length. One side is 1000 grit for refining, and the other is 4000 grit for smoothing and polishing. Achieve a flawless, shiny finish with ease. This innovative buffer guides you through 7 steps for perfectly smooth nails. Each side is numbered and color-coded for easy use. It's suitable for natural and artificial nails, making it perfect for home use or professional salons. Give it as a gift for any special occasion. What we like. This comprehensive kit offers a wide array of tools. If you're looking for versatility and value, this kit has you covered. The 7-way buffer is particularly useful for achieving a professional-looking finish at home. What people say. The perfect mix of file types included. Multiple surfaces and sizes. Works for natural and artificial nails. Good options. Can also be used for pedicures. This was a great selection of emery boards and blocks with various options from coarse to fine. Number 3. Onsen Secret Nail Buffer. This innovative buffer is designed to gently buff imperfections, leaving your nails healthy and shiny. It's perfect for maintaining healthy nails and restoring them after gel or acrylic treatments. Our unique grit pads gently smooth your nails without thinning or damaging them. It helps prevent cracks and splitting, protecting your nails from environmental damage. It locks in moisture, revealing a brilliant, chemical-free shine that lasts. This is ideal for combating dryness caused by artificial nails or polish. It smooths ridges, removes stains, improves circulation, and polishes your nails to a glossy shine. It's perfect for both regular maintenance and nail restoration. This durable buffer is designed to last for years. Replacement pads are readily available, making it a sustainable and economical choice. Use it once a week on your fingernails and every 2 weeks on your toenails. For optimal results, consider a 60-day nail reboot, at least once a year. What we like. This buffer boasts innovative technology to protect your nails. If you're looking to restore your nails after gel or acrylic use, this is the perfect choice. Its patented grit ensures gentle yet effective buffing, leaving your nails healthy and shiny. Number 2. AHIER 4-Way Nail Buffer. This is the AHIER 4-Way Nail Buffer, your new secret weapon for perfect nails. It's compact and convenient, so you can achieve salon-quality results anytime, anywhere. It's small enough to fit in your bag, so you can take it with you wherever you go. Enjoy beautiful nails on the go. Made with durable sandpaper and a soft sponge, it's gentle on your nails while effectively smoothing and buffing. It's designed for long-lasting use. This handy tool has 4 sides for shaping, smoothing, and shining your nails. Get perfectly polished nails in minutes. Achieve a high-gloss shine without using a top coat. Your nails will look amazing for up to a week. Whether you're a nail technician or simply want to pamper yourself at home, this buffer is perfect for you. It's easy to use and delivers fantastic results. It's great for preparing your nails before applying polish or treatments. Say goodbye to uneven nail surfaces and hello to flawless nails. What we like. This set offers a convenient and colorful option. If you prefer a simple yet effective buffing experience, this is a great choice. The 4-way design allows for easy shaping and polishing, perfect for quick touch-ups. What people say. Reading some of these reviews, it is clear that people are trying to do the wrong thing with these. These are to make your nails shine, not to file them down. They do a great job at polishing your nails. One of the pictures is of an unpolished nail and the other is polished. The surface on all 4 sides feels almost the same, but it is not the same, they are very different. This takes about 1.5 minutes per nail to polish. The results look fantastic. These are also great to clean up the ridges and ugly spots on toenails for wearing flip-flops so you don't look like a troll walking around. The different surfaces help with whatever my nails need, ridge removal, buffing, shining, etc. They are long-lasting and make your nails shiny. Number 1. Iridesi 4-Way Nail File. This innovative nail file offers 4 different grits for complete nail care, from filing to shining. It's perfect for both fingernails and toenails. It starts with a 240 grit for shaping, moves to a 320 grit for smoothing, then a 1000 grit for refining, and finishes with a 3000 grit for a brilliant shine. Each step is essential for a flawless finish. The strong adhesive ensures the sanding paper stays firmly attached, preventing messy shedding. It's built to last, even with regular use. Unlike coarser files, it starts at a fine 240 grit, preventing damage to your natural nails. It gently removes material without tearing or breaking. Simply clean it with isopropyl alcohol or a manicure brush. Avoid soaking to preserve its quality. It's also water resistant for easy cleaning. Whether you're a professional or a home user, this versatile file is perfect for manicures, pedicures, and even pet nail care. Get yours today. What we like. This kit provides a range of grits for a complete manicure. If you value quality and durability, this is a great option. The different grits allow for precise filing and polishing, ensuring a smooth and shiny finish every time. What people say. These files work very well and I end up with a very smooth tip on my nails. They last a long time. Like the size and variety of grits. They're thin enough to get close to the nail edges. I love these files. They are lightweight and work better than the glass file that I had been using. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.